At any given moment,
At this moment, somewhere in the world,
a child faces danger. A boy is separated from his family, lost and vulnerable following an earthquake.
Hear me out as I talk to you. Don't close your eyes, I'm just like you.
a girl displaced by war is making the perilous and terrible journey to a refugee camp far from home.
جينا اللي جاي ما فيها ضرب ولا حروب خالص شيء.
A mother helplessly watches her children starve or go without medicine or clean water.
All because they live in a country torn by conflict.
Every year, UNICEF and the European Union work together providing,
Clean water, medicine, nutrition, and education.
protecting them from violence, delivering help and hope
But we can only do so if these children's stories,
are heard.
the Voices of Children in Emergencies campaign, gives children the opportunity to share their experiences as only children can.
Each of us can make a difference.
So please help them tell their stories.
Help them raise their voices.